Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix why transfer taking too long. First, check the transfer status inside your Wise app. Sometimes delays happen because additional steps are required, such as identity verification or payment confirmation. Next, remember that the transfers can take longer due to bank processing times, weekends, or public holidays, especially for international transfers. Then make sure your payment was successfully completed. If your bank hasn't processed the payment yet, the transfer will remain pending. Then head over to your Gmail app and check for any notifications from Wise, as they may request extra information to complete the transfer. If everything looks correct, wait a little longer, as some transfers take naturally more time depending on destination. That's how you fix the Wise app transfers taking too long. If this video has helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out another helpful guide.